One of the reasons we became a certified energy expert is because that is our core value. That's what the ownership of this company preaches. Quality work, treat people like you should be treated. And the training that the installers give when they come to work for us, the verification that we're doing what we need to be doing, that's just a few reasons why you should use a CEE certified contractor. One of the advantages you get with quality installation and roofing is, part of the CEE program, it's a limited lifetime warranty. It's not a warranty that we give you, it's a warranty that's backed by Owens Corning. And that means a lot. The name of Owens Corning, the #1 preferred brand of insulation. And because we're a part of that team, we have a pool of, trained, tested, trusted installers. Guys want to go to work for us because we're doing this. That's one of the reasons why I think homeowners should use a certified energy expert. There's a lot of people out there and they need to use somebody that's qualified to do the job.
Click on the link below to receive a free home energy consultation with an Owens Corning certified energy expert professional in your area.